Hey guys, this is my entry for the mini Panda-Frog 2 giveaway. I'm gonna guess maybe he'll be born on June 7th. We'll go 50 centimeters, 3.8 kilograms. Those are basically just wild guesses. I sort of cheated. I looked up what the last baby was. So I just sort of guessed in around that general area. We also have to pick a tiny lock. It's the ABIS, I can't read it, 6515. Certainly the smallest lock I own. Ironically, I'm pretty sure Panda-Frog has actually sent me this lock. So I guess there's sort of there's a poetic justice to that, or something. Let's see, tensioner is a law lock, 0.8 millimeter. And I've really been digging these Jimmy Long's picks. They're quickly becoming my go-to. But we're supposed to pick the smallest lock we own. And I'm apparently not going to be able to do it now that I'm actually on camera. I did this a couple of times off camera. Oh, there it goes. I think I did a world record attempt on this. Actually, I think the record still stands, actually. I think I bottom of the keywayed it and just destroyed this lock. Alright, that's my entry. Everyone have a good day.